Hello my friends, my name is Catherine and I want to do something quick and easy today. So I have decided to show you how to make paper stars. First thing you're going to need is some paper to make it out of. I'm using the Shinogami paper, but you can totally use like even just regular printer paper or lightweight scrapbooking paper to do this. You're going to take your paper and cut off a section of it that is about ½ inch. Maybe a little bit less. The narrower that you make it, the smaller your star will be. The wider you make it, the bigger your star will be, but the longer your strip of paper also needs to be. There we go. Alright, we've got the piece of paper, and then what you do is you take and you tie a knot in it. So you cross it over like you'd be tying a string or what have you, and you pull it down tight-ish. There we go, without drawing in the edges of the paper too much. Then you take this little tail, the short tail that you've got, and you fold it over and tuck it under so that it's tucked underneath. Now you've got something that's sort of pentagon shaped but with a tail over here. So what we're going to do is turn that over and fold it to go along the rest of that. And that's not going to go all the way around, so let's see. That's not long enough. It needs to be just a little bit shorter so that it can tuck into this side. So I'm going to fold it so that it's just a little bit shorter, and then tuck it under. Now you've got a pentagon without any tails or anything. So the next step is to pop it open. You can do that by pressing in on the sides to make it pop up and open. And when you do that, it should create this little star. Look at how cute that little guy is. Now, if you want to send a cute little message to somebody you care about, you can write the message on the inside, or you can do what I do and make itty bitty tiny ones and use them as counters in your games of Magic the Gathering. That was it for me today, guys. Real short and easy one. I was happy to see you, and I'll be glad to see you again another time. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. Bye!